Hello, good morning everyone. This is Kevin Anthony from the Fab Lab here at Ball High. And today I want to talk briefly about once you send your 3D print job to print through 3D Printer OS, I have a lot of students emailing me and coming by the Fab Lab looking for their prints. So I'm just going to run through this real quick here. So for example, I'm logged in now to 3D Printer OS, looking at my projects, and here's some of my files. I've already sliced this file here called as a shaft for a ball socket. So I've sliced it and I have it ready to go to the MakerBot Replicator Plus. I'm going to click on print. And then I have a choice where I'm going to send this to. So I have the alpha and I have the beta. Right now the beta is offline, so I'm doing maintenance, but just for example, we have purple filament in the alpha, it's idle, and I can click on print, right? Okay. It's going to get that ready there, and I'm going to click on continue in background. Okay, now I can see just from this view right here how much material it's going to use. Now we don't charge a cost here, but I just have it here just for reference, just for myself. And when I send that job there, if I go to printers, it's going to show me what's up here. So I'm looking at the alpha, and my job is in progress. It's going to use this much filament, 3.84 grams of filament. And the printing time is going to be 51 minutes. That's not 51 seconds, it's 51 minutes. So your job will be ready 51 minutes when this is done here. If you have a situation where a lot of jobs are in the queue at one time, which is quite often, your job timing when it's done is based on when it reaches the queue once the job ahead of it is done. So if you send a print job and you wait a few seconds, then you jump up and you come to me looking for the print job, you need to look at the time there of how long it's going to take. So right now, I have to wait 51 minutes for my print to be done. And I'll know it's going to be done because I've got an email from 3D Printer OS saying your job is done. Once your job is done, I'll put it on the table in the completed area in the Fab Lab, and you're welcome to pick it up. Thank you.